everyone! Welcome to my mathematics. Today I am going to show you how easy multiplication is. Computing multiplication as I describe it as easy peasy lemon squeezy and not stressed, depressed, squeezy zest. I am going to teach you how to multiply with and without regrouping. I have here an example. 42 times 2. First, we multiply 2 times 2. The answer is 4. Then we multiply 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And the product is 84. Isn't it easy? Let's have another one, but this time let's make it a bit difficult. 23 times 12. Here, I'm going to share to you what I learned from my mom. First, we multiply 3 times 2, that is 6. Next, we multiply 2 times 1 equals 2. But hang on, leave a space between 2 and 6 because that is not yet the answer. You multiply 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. Put it at the top of 2. Then multiply 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Again, put it at the top of 3. Then let us proceed with addition. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. The product of 23 times 12 is 276. Easy, right? Now let me teach how fun computing multiplication with regrouping. Here is an example. 45 times 2. First, we multiply 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Put 0 under 2, then put 1 on top of number 4. Next, we multiply 4 times 2 and that is 8. Don't forget the 1 on top of 4. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And now we have 90 as the product of 45 times 2. But you can also add 45 plus 45 is equal to 90. How about this one? 350 times 20. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Drop the 2 zeros first. We will include them later on. Multiply the numbers on the tens place. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Put 0 under 2, then carry over 1 on top of 3. Multiply 3 times 2 is to 6 plus 1. Don't forget the number you carry over. Again, 3 times 2 is to 6. Plus 1 is to 7. Now we have 70. Are we forgetting something? Yes, you are right. The zeros. Just count the zeros that we have at the end of the number. At the end. Ha! We have 2 zeros here. We just add them to the product 70. Now we have 350 times 20 is 7,000. But as my mom said, it would be very fun and peasy if we already know the multiplication table. Till next time, thank you for watching.